Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Crispy fried squids, also called calamari, golden crunchy squid rings on the outside, soft tender on the inside, and packed with flavor in every bite. This is one of those irresistible seafood recipes that's loved across coastal regions and restaurants. And today, we are bringing the same restaurant-style taste straight into your home kitchen. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for crispy fried squid, also called calamari. This recipe uses simple pantry ingredients, a buttermilk soak for tenderness, and a perfectly seasoned coating that gives you light, crispy squid without the rubbery texture. Fried just right, these calamari rings turn out crunchy, juicy, and incredibly addictive, making them a perfect starter, snack, or seafood side dish. It's an easy recipe, ideal for family meals, parties, or weekend indulgence. So let's get cooking now and prepare these delicious crispy fried squids or calamari. Step 1. Preparing the squid or calamari. We have taken 800 grams of squids. After cleaning, we got around 500 grams or half kg of squids or calamari. Take one squid and cut it into rings the way I have shown. To know how to clean squids, refer to step 1 of our squids rechado fry recipe, which is given in the description box, or simply comment squid cleaning and we will send you the link. Similarly, cut the remaining squids. Then wash them thoroughly and drain the water completely. We also need 1 cup of buttermilk. Once the squid rings have been washed and drained, place them in a bowl. Add 1 cup of buttermilk. The buttermilk will make the squid rings nice and tender. Cover and keep them in the refrigerator for at least an hour or up to a maximum of 4 hours. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 eggs. Take 1 pinch of salt. Take 1 cup of regular breadcrumbs or panko breadcrumbs. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the batter, take half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup plus 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the squid rings for frying. In a mixing bowl, add the corn flour, add the all-purpose flour or maida, add the salt, add the black pepper powder, add the cumin or jeera powder, add the garlic powder, add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything properly. Flour mix is ready. In a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs and beat it slightly. Now add 1 pinch of salt. Whisk them nicely. Egg mixture is ready. After the specified time, remove the soaked squid rings from the refrigerator. Place the strainer on a bowl and drain out the liquid from the squid rings. Drain them properly and sprinkle around 1/4 teaspoon of salt on the squids. Once done, place the squid rings in the flour mixture. Mix them properly. Ensure all the squid rings are coated with the flour mixture. Once done, keep the breadcrumbs and egg mixture ready for the squid rings to be coated. Take the coated squid ring and dip it properly in the egg mixture. Then remove it. Drain out any excess egg liquid from the squid ring and then place the squid ring in the breadcrumb bowl. Ensure the squid ring is coated all over properly with the breadcrumbs and then remove and place it in a plate. Similarly, coat the remaining squid rings.
Hello everyone, do check out our new channel Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Our coated squid rings are ready for frying. Step 4. Frying the coated squid rings. On medium-low heat, take cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated squid rings one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan. Cook them only for 3 to 4 minutes or they will become chewy or rubbery.
For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
After 3 to 4 minutes, once it is golden brown, remove the squid rings. Place the squid rings in a strainer or use paper napkins to soak the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining coated squid rings. Serve the crispy squid rings hot with a nice mayo dip and squeeze a little lemon juice on the top of the squids before eating. Delicious, crispy fried squid rings are ready. Do share this delicious recipe with your friends and family members and let them also enjoy this beautiful dish. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.